Okay, what I'm doing today is I'm building me a burner for a gas forge that I'm planning on building. And this is basically a modified rail burner, or R-E-I-L, however you say it. I've got these ideas off the internet, except I'm kind of combining some things that I've seen. This is your basic real burner, and what I've done is I've drilled a hole in this reducing coupling right here, and I've elongated the hole, and you can see these little bolts here that I put in, and this will allow me to direct the flame as it comes out of the pipe. What I'm going to do is put this little brass pipe through this hole, and then I'm going to put a MIG welding tip in this brass pipe, and then I will align it, and we'll see how all that works. So this is really kind of an experiment. We'll just see how it works. I've got this brass pipe in this little piece of angle extrusion, and that's going to hold it nice and firm for me while I drill it. Okay, I've now tapped the hole of this little brass rod so that the MIG tip will fit in there nice and straight. Okay, so here's my brass pipe that I've threaded. I'll put this in here. Here's my little MIG tip. This is a .30 030. Okay, so here's what the business end looks like. As you can see, got this little MIG welding tip coming right up through the center of the hole there. So we'll see how that mixes, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here's what I have. I have the real burner. I have the brass pipe with the nipple off of a MIG welder centered in there. Go through there. I have a cutoff valve. I'm going to have my connections to my propane tank. I say let's fire this dude up and see what happens. This time I put a little tip, a little flare tip on the end of the burner. I'm just going to see if that makes a difference. Oh yeah, nice. That's what it needed, was a tip. See if I can show you down the center of it.